Evacuations have been ordered and roads have been closed as 3 massive wildfires burn in Southern California. The largest of the 3 separate 200-plus acre wildfires, all happening hours apart Friday, is dubbed the Rabbit Fire. It exploded in size to more than 4,500 acres within hours in Moreno Valley, according to the state and county fire services. CAL FIRE, Riverside County Fire Department units said the fire has 5% containment as of Saturday. The next update will be after the morning briefing unless significant fire activity occurs, the fire department said. Crews first responded to the fire a little before 3:30 p.m. near the intersection of Alessandro Boulevard and Jack Rabbit Trail. The fire quickly forced road closures in the areas. Footage captured by Alert California shows the blaze as seen from Mount Davis. Prior to the Rabbit Fire, the Rush Fire broke out a little before 1 p.m. The Rush Fire prompted evacuation orders before they were all eventually lifted. About 2 hours later, the Highland Fire broke out in the Beaumont area, also prompting evacuations before they were eventually pulled back. Officials have not released the causes of the fire for all 3 incidents.